Welcome to Amatip IT. This video is to guide you on how to detect malware or virus on your system. So if you are concerned about maybe there is a malware or any virus on your system due to some abnormal behavior, so let me quickly show you how you can check that out, how to confirm or detect any malware or virus on your system, even if you don't have any antivirus on your system. We will be using an inbuilt tools on your Windows system to discover any malware or virus on your system. So let's get started. So what you need to do is to click on the window button on your system. And mind you, this is actually for Windows operating system. Okay, so click on the window button on your keyboard and you will have this. So on the search area here, just type Windows security. Okay, and once you type that, just click enter on your keyboard. You will be taken here and just click on virus and threat protection. So once you get here, the first thing you need to do here, you can update your virus and threat protection by just click on protection update here. Okay, so after you update, but make sure you are connected to the internet to update your virus and threat protection. And once you do that, then you can come back to scan option here. So click on scan option, then choose full scan. Okay, then scan now. So this tool is existing on every window. Once you are using Windows 10 above, then you can follow this simple step. Click on the window button. Once you get it, type on Windows security and it will take you here. Select virus and threats protection. Then before you scan, update the tools and make sure you connect to the internet. After updating, scan and choose full scan. And once you start the scan, it might take some minutes, depend on the volume of documents or files on your system. And once the scan completes, it will show you if there is any virus or any malware on your system, and anyone that is identified, you can easily delete them for your system. That is how simple it is. This video brought to you by Amatip IT, an IT company based in London, United Kingdom. Till next time, goodbye.